Hello everyone, good evening to all. Today I am going to solve a question on status 113. The question is maximum score. Here the question says you have given a binary array of even length and initially your score is 0. You need to perform the following operation exactly n by 2 times, and the operation is you can choose an index I and then you you sum a, a of I minus a of I plus 1 to your score, and after this you can delete a of I and a of I plus 1 from the array, and you can perform the operation again, and you have to perform this operation exactly n by 2 times n by 2 times, and after performing the operation n by 2 times you have to find the maximum score that you can get if you perform the operations optimally. Here the test case given 2 in case of 0 and 1. Here the score is 1 because 0 minus 1 is 1. In case of 1 0 1 0, here is only 1 0 present, so 0 minus 1 modulus of 0 minus 1 equal to 1, so the score is 1. In case of 1 1 1 1 1 1 6 1, in 6 1 there is no 0 present, so the score is 0. So in the question says you have given a binary string of 1 and 0 and you have to perform the operation n by 2 times. The operation is if you have 1 0 1 0 1 0, the operation is you have to choose an index I and initially your score is 0 equal to 0. If you choose this index, then 1 minus 0 equal to 1, then you have to add plus 1 to your score, then s equal to 1, score equal to 1, then you have to delete this, then the array becomes 1 0 1 0. Then you can choose this index, then 1 minus 0 equal to 1, s equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2, then you have to delete this, then the array becomes 1 0, then you choose this index, then this is 1 minus 0 0 equal to 1, then s equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So you have to print 3 in this case 1 0 1 0 1 0. So this is a easy question. In this question you have to count the number of zeros in the array and number of ones in A. If the number of zeros more than equal to n by 2, then simply print number of ones. If else print number of zeros, because if you have a array like 1 0 0 0 1, here the number of 0 is more than n by 2, so but in this case you can score as 2, you can increase your score by 2. So in case of zeros more than n by 2, you have to print number of ones if 0 1 1 1 0. In this case only, if number of 1 is more than n by 2, simply you print number of zeros. So let's come to the coding part. Here also I have write the same logic which I explained in pen and paper. Here I take the input and this is the array, then I take input, then I initialize number of zeros in the array is 0, then I update the number of zeros. If I encounter a 0 in my array, then the number of ones is n minus number of zeros in the array. Then if the count of zeros is less than n by 2 times, simply you print number of zeros in the array, else you print number of ones in the array. So let's run the code. I think this will gives 110 as the output. Yes, it gives 110. Let's submit the code. I think this will give right answer and got submitted. Yes, it got accepted. Thanks everyone.